Just as it's sometimes necessary to trim surfaces, you may also have a need to extend a surface. SolidWorks offers the Surface Extend feature to accomplish just that. You'll find the Extend Surface tool on the Surfaces toolbar. The parameters used to define the extended surface are available on the Extend Surface Property Manager. First, you define the surface you wish to extend. Here you can select an edge, multiple edges, or even an entire surface. I'll begin by selecting an edge in this case. To define how far I wish to extend the surface, I can use a distance, or I can use a reference by selecting a vertex or another surface. Before clicking OK, notice I can click multiple edges of the same surface, and they will all be extended the same direction. If you wish to extend every edge of a surface, you can select the surface itself. I'll clear the current edge selections and simply select the face. When the surface you're extending is not planar, you can decide how the extension will behave. At the bottom of the Property Manager, you choose whether the curvature of the surface should be maintained through the extended portion, the same surface option. Or you can use the linear option. With this option, the extended surface is tangent to the original surface.